So we start off today's video with someone who has a bob haircut. Ooh, looks like she decided to go short with this pixie. Oh, I love the shape of this. The color's like a really pretty brown. So gorgeous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out some more hair transformations. Here we have someone who decided to go brighter and lighter with this beautiful shoulder length bob makeover. Wow, what a gorgeous color transformation. So pretty. And then we see someone else who decided to change up their hair color. Looks like she decided to go with the chunky highlight trend. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will, of course, stay up to date on all the latest, hottest hair trends. So this next transformation involves a bob haircut. Beautiful bob with the face framing bangs. Very nice. She looks amazing rocking this bob. So here we have someone with a pixie. Looks like she's going to be getting the platinum hair color trend. Oh, this is absolutely stunning on her. Loving the platinum color with the pixie style. She does have the choppy layered texture here. Very nice. Definitely one of my favorite hair trends this season. And then we have another hair color transformation. The stylist looks like she loves her job. She's having so much fun. So there is the before and there is the after. She got the face framing color. Very nice. Beautiful dimension. Gorgeous. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all the hairstyle ideas with me in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.